guys, welcome back. Antonio back here for another tutorial. This is a tutorial especially just for Cindy. It's funny because something so simple is really very difficult, such as changing your toilet handle on your toilet. A lot of people don't know how to change the toilet handle. Okay, they get the new toilet handle and then they try to figure out how to get the old one off, and they just because let me tell you what, all right? Let me show you. So you have the nut on here, correct? So generally the nuts, when you tighten up a nut, you go clockwise. Okay, well, the way this is designed is that the nut loosens up going, it's very confusing for me. Going clockwise, it loosens going clockwise. So it's the opposite direction when you need to take this thing off. So normally you go counterclockwise, okay? Well, it doesn't work that way. So if you're having a problem getting the nut off your handle to change your handle, it's because the nut threads are the reverse. Very simple, but believe it or not, so many people are just, I get text messages from my clients, I don't know how to put on my handle, can you help me? I mean, and it's an honest mistake because who would ever guess that the threads are backwards? So, simple little detail, guys. When taking that nut off, okay, it is the opposite direction, okay? So, I'm sure that's probably helped some of you guys out there, all right? Nice little tutorial as usual, short but sweet, but that's why I do these little tutorials, just for giggles, I guess. Anyway, listen, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Feel free to let me know what you guys want to see or hear. All right, thumbs up. It's the end of the day. We're done. I'm done for today. Let's enjoy the weekend. Ciao.